of class 10th A. Today I am here for the art integration project of social science on the topic Gandhi Sagar. About Gandhi Sagar Dam. The Gandhi Sagar Dam is one of the four major dams built on India's Chambal River. The dam is located in the Mandsaur-Neemuch district of the state of Madhya Pradesh. It is a masonry gravity dam standing 62.17 meters with a gross storage capacity of 7.322 billion cubic meters from a catchment area of 22,584 km square. The dam's foundation stone was laid by Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 7th March 1954, and construction of the main dam was done by leading contractor Dwarka Das Agrawal and Associates and was completed in 1960. Additional dam structures were completed downstream in the 1970s. The best place to stop off in Gandhi Sagar is Hinglajgarh Resort, which is 35 km away from Rampura, and it is 95 km away from Neemuch and 155 km away from Mandsaur. You can reach here via road only. There is no train route so far. You can reach Neemuch Ramgarh on Mandsaur via train, and then you can hire a cab from there to reach Gandhi Sagar. Facilities at Hinglaj Resort. Accommodation at a very low cost comparison to other resorts of India. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian food at the time of lunch and dinner. The service is also very good. The resort provides restaurant facilities for 24 hours. If you need some snacks, it is available in the restaurant. Separate swimming facilities for adults and children. Indoor games like carom, table tennis, badminton, etc. for the people who hire the accommodation in the resort. Gym facility is also available without any cost. Boating and fishing facilities are also available. Advanced booking through internet or mobile phones is also available. Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary is situated on the northern boundary of Mandsaur and Neemuch districts in Madhya Pradesh, India. It is spread over an area of 368.62 km square adjoining Rajasthan state in India. It was notified in 1974 and more area was added in 1983. The Chambal River passes through the sanctuary, dividing it into two parts. The western part is Neemuch district and eastern part is in Mandsaur district. The sanctuary is open throughout the year with a varied terrain of wooded hills. The forest being dry, mixed and deciduous and flat grasslands around Gandhi Sagar Dam. Sanctuary has many places of historical, archaeological and religious importance. These are Chaurasigarh Chaturbhaj Temple, Bhadkaji Rock Paintings, Narsingh, Hinglajgarh Fort, Taksakeshwar Temple, etc. Chaturbhujnath Temple dedicated to Vishnu is located about 8 km from Gandhi Sagar Dam site. Hinglajgarh or Hinglaj Fort is an ancient fort situated near village Nawali in Bhanpura Tehsil of Mandsaur district in Madhya Pradesh. Taksakeshwar Temple is a place of religious and historical importance in Mandsaur district. Dharmrajeshwar is an ancient Buddhist and Hindu cave temple site of 4th to 5th century in Mandsaur. Bhanpura Museum is located in Bhanpura, 30 km from Gandhi Sagar Dam and 127 km from Mandsaur in northeast direction. The museum depicting the popular arts of Mandsaur.